Zweig Group invites all AEC industry leaders to the 2024 AEC Small Business and Entrepreneurship Forum, the premier event for small firms in the AEC sector. Experience innovative strategies and insights on May 21st, crafted by Zweig Group's industry experts. Engage in keynotes and interactive sessions focused on recruitment, retention, and business growth. Join Zweig Group for this unique networking opportunity and take your business to new heights. Secure your spot today and be part of the AEC industry's future. Visit zweiggroup.com for more information. The Zweig Group team looks forward to welcoming you.
Welcome to the Zweig Letter Podcasts, putting architectural, engineering, planning, and environmental consulting guru Mark Zweig and his team of expert straight talk in your ear. Mark has more than 30 years of experience helping AEP and environmental firms thrive, and these podcasts deliver his invaluable management, industry, client, and HR advice directly to you, free of charge. The Zweig Letter Podcasts let you develop professionally, wherever you are.
The client database, valuable yet neglected. Your firm's list of contacts is critical to every marketing activity, and it can have a tremendous monetary value as well. So it's time that AEC firms start making this a priority. This industry is still doing a poor job of building and maintaining a good client database, also known as a CRM or client relationship management database. We see it all the time when we are working inside firms. Furthermore, our research shows that the average AE firm's database equates to only 40 names per employee. This is horrendously low. Just think about the number of work-related contacts in your mobile phone and how that would affect the number you could claim as your contacts in an overall company database. I often stress the importance of making the distinction between marketing and sales for the purpose of measuring return on investment. The client database is clearly a critical marketing function that requires investment. Your client database is essential for many of your marketing activities, so it's time we start acting like it. Here are a few suggestions to inspire some changes in your client data management policy. First of all, less is more. Consider tying your CRM into your financial management software. Fewer databases is better. I am shocked at the number of firms that have 3 or more databases. Even small firms. Consider the inefficiencies and inaccuracies created by multiple sources of client information. We don't dedicate enough resources to adequately keep up one database, let alone 2 or more. Firms have more options than ever for client data management. You can buy an all-inclusive product, or you can even tie in multiple databases using scripts or apps. Secondly, view your database as an asset, because that's what it is. Your client database is an asset that actually has a monetary value. The more you invest in it, the more it's worth. You realize this value in being able to better market your services, which in turn drives growth in the enterprise. You can also realize a nice return in the form of cash if you were to sell your firm to the outside. In a transaction, a buyer is going to consider a great client database as one of your most valuable assets. For those of you who view marketing as nothing more than an overhead expense, maybe this will motivate you to start investing here. Thirdly, it will grow your firm. Investment in the database should include both names and keeping the data accurate. A constant commitment to data integrity allows you to be more tactical and effective in your marketing. As such, you can increase the dollars spent on marketing with more confidence. Our research consistently shows that firms that spend more on marketing than other firms are more profitable and grow faster. Once you commit to growing your client database and getting more out of it, consider making these items as part of your strategy. First of all, share the database company-wide. Allow all employees access to client info. This does not mean you have to give everyone all rights, like editing. Assign one person to be in charge of the database. Make this person accountable for the data integrity, training people on how to use the platform, and building the database up. Mine the data you already have. The widespread use of Microsoft Outlook means that many employees have work contacts in their phones and computers that need to be integrated into the overall company database. There are programs that can mine the contacts out of Outlook and put them into your main company database. Some of these can intelligently separate personal contacts from those that would be tagged as business contacts. Also consider integrating other places in the firm that house client data. Use the database more in marketing. Have your marketing staff think of new ways to connect with your clients using the database. Newsletters, targeted white papers, and other information can better connect your clients to your company. The quality of your database is a reflection of your brand. You cannot preach that you know your clients and take care of all their needs while mailing them a newsletter that has their name spelled wrong or the title they held before their last promotion. This kind of thing is happening every day in firms everywhere. Your client database either works for you or against you. Start viewing your database like the valuable asset it is and start making it work for you.
Thanks for tuning in to this Zweig Letter podcast. We hope that you can apply Mark's no-holds-barred advice to your daily professional life. For a free transcript of this or any episode of our podcast, please visit info.zweiggroup.com/podcast. If you want more wisdom and inspiration, in addition to information about finance, HR, and marketing your firm, subscribe to the print or digital version of the Zweig Letter online at zweiggroup.com/publications.